Hello students. So today we will see the question number 9. So in the figure 12.27, so this is a figure AB and CD are two diameters. So AB and CD are two diameters. It is given and a point of intersection diameter, that is this is center. And with center O it is given perpendicular to each other. So here the angles around the O, these four angles are 90 degree because the diameters are perpendicular to each other. OD is the diameter of smaller circle. So there is one more smaller circle, that is here with the diameter OD. If OA is 7 cm. So OA is 7 cm and OA is what? Radius, isn't it? Because this is center. This OC is also same 7. OD is also same. And here even OB. Find the area of shaded region. So we have to find out the area of this blue color shaded region and these two regions. So as we know, here this is full circle. To find out its area, we need to know its radius. So radius, it is given that OA, how much OA, that will be the OD. So OA 7, so this is OD. So we got its diameter 7. So radius will be 7 by 2. Next, here you can see this is a sector, isn't it? Because here this is a diameter and this is a semicircle. And angle formed in any semicircle is always 90 degree. So this is the angle C. Angle ABC is 90 degree. So this is right angle triangle. So to find out the shaded portion area, what we have to do? We have to find the area of the semicircle and then subtract the area of this triangle. So we can find the area of semicircle because we know the radius. OA is 7. So we can find out here. Next, how to find out the area of this triangle? So you can see this is as it is right angle triangle. So we can see here, this is 90 degree. Here we got the 90 degree. And we should know we should know BC and AC. But we don't know BC and AC. But you can see, if you just take this as triangle, and you can, because the triangle will have total 3 heights or 3 altitudes. We don't have this BC, we don't know, and even AC we don't know. But OC is one of the altitude or the height. So that is perpendicular here. So this will take as height. So height, the area of triangle will be half base into height. So this will be height OC, and OC is nothing but the OA. That is 7 cm. OC we got, the base will be what? On which we have drawn the height or the altitude. So base is AB. OA is 7. So AB is 14. So 14 we got. Here we got 7. Base and height we got. So we can find out the area of triangle. Then we can add these areas. So this area and the semicircle area minus the triangle area. So that will get that only this blue colored segment areas, 1, 2 and 3 areas you can add, so that you will get the area of shaded portion. So this is how you have to understand the question. Now we'll see the solution, how to solve this. So I have drawn here, and this OA is given 7 cm. So once you got the given things, you can find out the unknown quantities here, and it is given that diameter perpendicular. So I'll mark here perpendicular, so that again and again no need to look at the question. So we need to find out the area of this shaded region. So first we will see, we'll find out the area of circle with diameter OD. We'll find out this. So OD, for this OD equals to OE, because that is radius, isn't it? So that is it is given, that is 7 cm. So the area of circle with diameter OD is equals to pi r square. Pi is given at the starting 22 by 7 into r. So r is 7 here. 7 into 7. So here you will get, so as we near r, and this with OD is what? Diameter. So this will be 7 by 2 and this is 7 by 2. So find out this 7 ones are 7 ones are 7, 2 ones are 2 11s are. So 11 into 7 divided by 2. So that is 77 divided by 2 centimeter square. So I'll keep this answer as it is, because later on if possible we have to use this that is area So I will not find this in decimal. Now this is over. Now we need to find out the area of these two shaded portion. So to find out this, first I'll find out the area of semicircle. So area of semicircle. Before that we'll write the radius of circle with, or big circle you can take, with the center O. So area of circle with center O, that is the radius, that is OA, it is given 7 centimeter. So area of semicircle equals to pi r square divided by 2. 7 into this r square I will write 7 into 7 into this divided by 2 I will take as 1 by 2. So there will be no confusion. 7 ones are 7 ones are 2 ones are 2 11s are. So 11 into 7, that we got as 77 centimeter square. This is the area of semicircle. From this semicircle area we have to remove the area of triangle. So as we know that as diameters AB and CD are perpendicular at center O. Therefore perpendicular, so this will give the height. So therefore in triangle ABC, OC is what? Height, or you can take as altitude. So this height is given. So base also we will see AB is also given because OA is 7. So this is 7. So total AB is, and we can take AB, that is OA plus OB, that is 14 centimeter. So this is base, this is height. So we can find out the area of this triangle. So therefore area of triangle ABC, half base into height. So half base is AB, height is OC. Half base AB we have, that is 14, into height OC is 7. 2 ones are 2 sevens are. So here 7 sevens are 49 centimeter square. So from this semicircle area, subtract this area of ABC. Therefore area of, directly we can find out area of shaded portion or region you can take, that is equals to area of circle with the diameter OD, this plus area of this semicircle minus this. So we need area of semicircle because these are the two extra shaded portion, minus this we have to do. So area of semicircle, whatever answer you are getting, that we have to add semicircle minus area of triangle ABC. So area of circle with diameter OD, that is 77 divided by 2 we got here, 77 divided by 2 plus area of semicircle, that is 77 minus area of triangle, that is 49. So here now there is no connection between 77 and 2. Suppose you would have got here fraction with the denominator 2, then it is of use. Otherwise now we will find out this full answer. 77 divided by 2. So this will get as 38.5 plus 77 minus 49. This you will get as 28. Then add them, 38.5, 28. So this is 5, 8 at 16, 1, and here 6, and give the point here. So the final area of shaded region is 66.5 centimeter square.